This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Pavlik. Rare, only 48 in community, corner courtyard condo with 740 square private patio. Private entrance pet friendly, tastefully furnished open and bright floor plan kitchen has coffered ceiling, recessed lighting and extended island for 5+ seating. Dining room with custom designed accent wall, very spacious living room, impact windows, enclosed sunroom with beautiful accent wall and access to the patio. Master bedroom suite with very large and updated bath, guest bedroom with double floor to ceiling closet, washer/dryer, furnished. Enjoy sunsets on the 740 square patio that adds so much living/entertaining space. See photos. Community day dock/pier on the St. Lucie River. Clubhouse complex west/sparkling pool, pickleball, tennis, shuffleboard, well-equipped exercise room, card/game room, library, ballroom, billiards, ping pong, kayak storage. Plus perfect Stuart location, 5 minutes to beaches and downtown Stuart, mini residence walk/bike ride to stores, restaurants, cafes, banks. For more information.